Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to switch whichever user's profile account is playing a game on your Nintendo Switch 2. So it's pretty simple. From the home screen, we can see whichever user profile is playing the game because the little profile icon will show up on the game itself. So let's say, for instance, that particular user profile is in the game and playing. What you would want to do is on your controller, press the home button to bring us back to the home page. Back on the home screen, if it wasn't already evident when you're hovering over the game that you would like to change the user profile for, you can see the option right here. We can press Y on our controller to change the user. So I'm going to click Y, and then we're going to close out of Mario Kart World. Then it's going to bring us right to this page where we can select the user that we would like to launch this software with. So let's say I would want to use this account. So I'm going to click A on that, and it's going to reopen that game now under that different user profile. And if I head back to the home screen, I can now see that that user profile is the one that is launched in and playing Mario Kart World. So this is the process that you can go through to switch the user account profile that is playing whichever game that you want on the Nintendo Switch 2. I hope this quick tutorial is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing to the channel for more content in the future.